Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect TikTok Shop and eBay. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop accounts, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you get or where can you find TikTok Shop? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tiktokshop.com. That's going to take you to the official website for TikTok Shop. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok Shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to connect TikTok Shop and eBay. I'm going to show you two ways. One of the ways is on TikTok Shop and the second way is on TikTok itself. So here, head over to the left corner of the screen where you have this homepage, others, products, marketing, affiliate, down to Growth Center. Click on Growth Center and click on App Store. That's going to take you to this App Store window. So over here, as you can see, part of the popular platforms is eBay, but I'm just going to head over to search apps and partners, and I'm going to type in eBay to see all the apps that are linked to eBay. So you have this 10 apps that are linked to eBay and can be used on TikTok Shop. You have this Nimble, you have this one, you have this Ad Lister, you have all of this. So just click on eBay here. You still have the same options. So this is it. So you can select any of these options that are linked to eBay. You can select any of them, install them, and you will now be able to use them on TikTok Shop. So click on that install button and you have a form that you need to fill out. So enter your target shop, which is necessary. My shop has not been approved on TikTok Shop, but just add yours, add a duration you want this connection to be due, and the contact email, and then contact phone number, which is optional, and check this box. Now click on confirm to install button, and once you do that, it's going to be authorized. So that's pretty much one of the steps. The next step is to head over to TikTok itself. So go over to TikTok and ensure that you're using your TikTok business page. So click on your profile and then click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you're going to find the website category. So click on website and paste your eBay shop link. So paste your eBay link into that website and go ahead and do the complete the connection process. Once it has been connected, just gonna be it. So you can use any of these processes to connect TikTok Shop and eBay. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.